Lekai kriket mentau senam. Ka Jingïalang Banyngkong jong ka Kynhun Myntri ka Sorkar MDA2 kelalong negasngi hapok ka jing penyat Myntri rangba ka jela Konrad ki sangma. Abakren sikala patai khubor usangma uloong bakarai Banyngkong ka belashim haga Jingïalang ka long banwanra ya ka contingency fund. Jong ka Meghalaya Amendment Bill ahajar apulai bat karai ka baar ka long ban menjur bat pendamno ya ka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act ahajar apuway. Hashwa ka Sorkar kala menjur ya ka Ordinance ban pendam ya ka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act ahajar apuway. Myntri ba ulay thu ba kila donru kiway kikam kibale kren ha ka Jingïalang bakentup ya ka jingtung ya laingut kinong aiktien ka Kynhun Myntri nalor Myntri ba bat sembut Myntri ba ka jela uba Preston Tingsong. Kini ki laingut kinong aiktien ka Kynhun Myntri ka Sorkar ken kentup ya ka kong Amperin Lingdo Marcus Marak bat uba Paul Lingdo. Syuk Myntri ba ula benrap ba kador barmang kan mang tingka kan sedang ha ka apho terik uluber.
Contingency Fund of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2023. If you remember, we had brought in an ordinance for that. So now that the House is in session and we have to bring this in the House, we have brought this now in the form of a bill. Similarly, the second agenda was to pass the repeal of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021. As you are aware, we had passed an ordinance to repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021, and today, as the session is on, we are going to put it in the form of a bill, and the Meghalaya Regulation Gaming Act will be repealed.